are going to do, so tired, an unboxing. Costway sent me this beautiful TV stand. Not only is it a TV stand, it's a fireplace as well. It's a 48-inch fireplace TV stand with an 18-inch fireplace insert for TVs up to 55 inches. So I should be good because I think my TV is 55 inches. Woo! I can't wait until I see the color of my shoes.
Move your face.
Sorry. So this looks like the fireplace.
So it now fire?
It electrical.
Can it warm you up for real?
Yes.
Yeah,
that's why I'm excited because it can really warm you. Ooh, them here look like the screws. And this is the color. I don't know me I go for the browns in the house. Ooh. Alright, babe, with the manual. We're gonna need the manual. Alright, thank you, sir. So you see the color up close? Yeah. And it looked like it matched my table, you know. So excited. Oh, the front. Yeah, this is cute. So we have put them on the rug. I'm showing them. So nothing to break. Alright, so this is 40. This is 16. Oh yeah, this is smart. Them label everything. So when I think we're gonna have a hard time. Alright, so them the 14 at the base.
Step 1, 14.
Okay. And then we need the screw K.
J and K.
J and K?
J the one in everything up as a K gonna be screw them here.
This is J.
Oh, this is J?
Yeah. This is L. K. K. You have K there?
No, babe.
G. H. I. Okay, this is K. Get you one of these. So now we need 17 for the side. Get 17.
17 and 2 of them it'll be.
17 and 18.
Alright, so we have 19 of us. 17 or 18, 12 of this.
So far, so good. So we just flip the base of the TV stand, but we get in there. The screwdriver works, but it's better with a screw gun. So anything at all, I will get a screw gun. Alright, it's in here. Alright guys, so we're coming down nicely. Jason is doing the doors. He did this one, then put on the handle and what is called hinges. So I could put in the star of the show and then see what it's giving. But it's cute. I'm going to put some stuff here on the shelves. I didn't put the so one for the over here, so and one the over here, so but because I have something that is tall to go in this side, I just put both shelves on this side so I can get the space in that one. It's soft close. Yeah, love that. All right, babe, so the star of the show, the fireplace. Yes, sir. So excited.
It said do not attempt to install the unit from the front of the mantle, it will not fit.
Oh, so yeah, I get it. So take it.
Okay.
Yeah, so push it over. Ah.
And then this here is the screw. So 4 different screws. Alright.
I think we're done. So it's just to decorate, put the TV on it, but we want to test the fireplace. It came with a remote. Moment of truth. Babe, plug it in. Oh my goodness.
Why never leave it, man?
I don't know. Yeah, babe, turn off the light. Wait, get this one over there. Oh, yes, I love it. It's beautiful. All right, so let me see if it warm up the place.
So you have to know so there is a heater controller, timer controller, and a flame controller. So you have to know which one you just press.
So we got a few instructions. Let me tell you what they say. Do not use this heater outdoors. This heater is not intended for use in bathroom, laundry area, and small indoor locations. Never locate the heater where it may fall, into the bathtub or other water container. Do not run the power cord under carpeting. Do not cover the power cord with rugs, runner, alright, etc. So, guys, it's hot. Let me turn on this.
You happy too?
Yes.
Yeah, and this.
Yeah, this hot door. So turn off it. Yeah. Alright.
Look on the fire. You can control how much the fire ablaze. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Turn it up to the highest.
That's the highest.
That's at the highest?
Yeah. And then lower.
Guys, it's beautiful. I love it.
I guess the best way to see it when the light fully off.
Yeah, turn off the light.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah. Okay, beautiful people, so that is what the TV stand is looking like. With the help of my husband, we were able to put it together, and it's really beautiful. It's very sturdy and it wasn't hard to put together. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say, with 10 being the hardest, I would say it was a 2. The only reason why I said that because it is much easier to use a screw gun, and when we started out, we were using the screwdriver and it was very time consuming, but we remember that we had a screw gun, so we started to use it and it was really easy. Everything was labeled as I showed earlier, so the boards were labeled with numbers and the screws were labeled with letters. It heats up the entire living room. Love that. I'm not sure what it's feeling like in the rooms. I don't really care much about the rooms. I just want to ensure that the living room heats up very well, so that when we're watching a movie or having a good time, you know, it can feel very cozy. Thank you so much, Costway, for sponsoring today's video. I really love it. It's very strong, very sturdy, and I'm so happy I stepped out of my comfort zone and took this color. I've never owned any furniture at all in this color, but it's very beautiful. It blends in perfectly with the vibe that I'm going for in the house. Also, it is their 48-inch fireplace TV stand with 18-inch fireplace insert. That's that part down there, and it holds up to a 55-inch TV. My TV is a 55-inch and it holds perfectly. So that's what it's looking like. I'm going to decorate it with some more stuff. So it was very easy, guys. All we had to do was to follow the instructions. So if you don't love to follow instruction, it not gonna work for you, because we literally had to put the book down and follow the instructions. So that's that. And it's not only for beauty, but it's for beauty. Okay, so it doesn't only look pretty, it heats up the entire living room. And as I mentioned, even if I turn the heat off, I still have, you know, look at aesthetics are going. I can still leave the light on just to add that little vibe. So comment in the comment section and let me know, do you guys like it? I love it. But yeah, if you are interested, if you want one of these, click the link in my description box and check them out. Also, Costway was very generous enough to give you guys a 10% discount. So I'm going to put my code right here on the screen. Guys, I'm not have to make use of that. The link will be in my description box and I'll pin it in my comment section so that the link is easier to access. You name it, Costway have it. So click the link down below and check them out. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers, and thank you so much, Costway, for sponsoring today's video.